Hey, what's up, YouTube? Guess I'm gonna try to do another video here. Gonna attempt to not mess it up. But anyway, we're going to go out to the garden. So I'm gonna flip you. That way you can see all the food explosion. Weeds have really gotten out of control. It's been rainy and crappy and just all sorts of different stuff lately. Not been the best for well, a garden, I guess. It's been a little, I don't know, like there's just been so much rain lately. All of the plants are growing bigger and doing stuff. I mean, good Lord, I just picked zucchini day before yesterday. Look at how big these guys already are. And the plants are really thriving and taking off. Whole bunch of new baby ones down in there that are starting. I mean, there's just stuff. Look at how big this guy is. He's huge. I mean, I should probably get, I don't know, a lot more zucchini. Look at this guy. I mean, he's huge. Can't even tell which plant he's growing off of. Look at the size of that flower right there. I mean, they're huge. There's another zucchini under there that I didn't notice yesterday. Look at that guy. I'm going to have to come back out here and pick more. But look at all of this. Oh, look, there's red tomatoes. Oh, wow, there's a whole bunch down there. That guy. The tomato cages are still, like I've had to add these additional little tomato cages here. They're just pushing them out of the ground because they're growing so big. Look, you can't even walk in between. This one's being held up. There's not a tomato in that cage. Look over here. Oops. Had to come and support this side up. There's just so many tomatoes. I mean, they're huge. They're just going to town. Look at our apples are getting pretty good size also. They're all starting to turn the right color. That guy. Uh-oh. But these guys are doing pretty all right. Look at all these guys. They're so tiny, though. Look, they're red. They're all getting ripe, I guess. And there's a ton of them everywhere. There are so many apples. Look at all these guys. They're starting to get a different color and stuff, too. I don't know when they're going to harvest them. We'll probably wait a little longer. But look at those guys. Like, there's just a bunch of apples everywhere. Look at all of those. Oh, my goodness gracious. There are apples all over the place. Tomatoes like crazy. I mean, I'm going to have to I'm going to go around the other way. That's what I'm going to do. Because you can't walk that way no more. Not unless I branch or break some branches or something. Anyway, looks like the dripper system's still working really, really good. Oh, wow, look, there's a whole bunch of red tomatoes over here, too. I'm going to have some red tomatoes soon. And a whole bunch of green ones if they don't all ripen up. Oh, I thought I just saw another. Well, it's kind of an orange guy. He's getting ripe. Oh, my goodness. There are so many tomatoes. All of them are just loaded down. I don't even think that tomato is standing up anymore. I don't know what's going on. Oh, look. Oh, there's a big one that's getting ready to turn red. I'm very excited. Yes, I am. All these apples are doing all right. Oh, look, even the peaches are starting to get a little red. My goodness. Wow. We are going to have a food palooza. So I've already picked some bell peppers, but look, haven't been out here for a couple of days and bell peppers everywhere. Little tiny baby guy. Oh my goodness. Another little baby guy right there. Wow, there's just bell peppers everywhere. That guy seems to be, I don't know, just a little more open. Got some kind of deficiency going on here. And a grasshopper. I hate you little stupid grasshoppers. But yeah, it's got bell peppers on it too. All kinds of stuff's going on. All right. So, I mean, there's food growing everywhere. Can't make it stop, actually. It's just everywhere. It's going to be a plethora in the pantry this year. There sure is. These green beans are really doing pretty good, too. Oh, my goodness. These other apple trees are... I just don't know what to do. Gonna have to YouTube University, I guess. Check these guys. There's just so many apples. They're everywhere. I think these guys are getting sunburned or something. I'm not sure. I mean, they're just everywhere. Apples, 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 apples. Apples everywhere. So I don't know what that thing is. Dead. That's what it is. But look over here. There used to be a whole bunch more pipe or wood right here. Used to be a whole bunch more pipe right there too. See how big those rounds are? They're mean. They do stuff like this. Whoop, there it is. I'd show you my other ankle, but the socks are covering it. Oh, look, more peaches. Peaches are all over the place. And I think even the broken branch still has peaches on them. Yeah. They all appear to be doing pretty all right. Some of them are getting eaten by the birds or something. But just peaches. So many peaches. All right, let's go inside. Oh, got a duck under the tree there. Oh my goodness gracious. There's so much going on everywhere. Hard to keep up with it all myself, because, you know, I'm only one person. But we're working on it. Or I'm working on it, I guess. It's been like cold for an entire week too. I don't know what that's all about. It's Colorado. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees in August, or now it's September, I guess. But whatever. All right. Let's turn around. Now I will show you the other explosion. Sort of. So you can see a whole bunch of those plants. They're all coming up good. Lights are coming on every day. Not running for a very long time, but they're doing all right. See that tomato in there? He's still growing. This guy back over here, he stopped growing. Now he's like already starting to turn red or something. But there's the other tomatoes from before. I don't know if they stopped growing or if they're going to keep growing or start ripening. I'm not sure. But look at everything else. The celery, I just grew it. Two different ones, and they're growing at different rates too. So I don't know. Look at this. That's cilantro. And that's, I think, the first lettuce plant that came up. But then I have green beans right here, these little fellas. The pea plant I had to move away because all of those over there, I still don't know what it is, Swiss chard, mustard greens or something. But the other pea plants are growing. They're a lot thicker and darker, whereas these ones are just long and stringy. And then I planted radishes right there. That's going to be fun if they actually grow up. And then right down in this area right here, I actually planted some zucchini. So I'm really hoping that's going to, or not zucchini, sorry, some cucumbers. Really hope those are going to turn out. And then all of my other tomato plants, I mean, they're not dead and dried, but they are just in bags of dirt, waking up stuff. But the thing I really want to figure out is those are not lettuce plants. I don't know what they are. They're mystery plants. Some of them are actually quite tall. They almost look like a tomato, but they have different kind of leaves on them. I'm just not sure what the heck those are. I mean, you can clearly see lettuce, 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 whatever that is, and then lettuce, 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 lettuce. Except for on this side, oh, there's more of those mysterious plants. What are those? I don't know. I didn't plant those seeds. Whatever they are, they're coming up all by themselves. They don't look like lettuce, though. I mean, that one's definitely not lettuce. It's like a tree. Well, let's get a better look at that. See, I just don't know what that is. So it just things are popping up wherever they feel like it. I don't understand it. It's so strange. All right, you guys want to see the fishes? Let's see. I'll show you. There's the fishes, and they're not like unhappy. They're all swimming around now instead of just hanging down at the bottom. There's a lot of them in there. Everything seems to be running the way it's supposed to. I haven't checked the solids settler for actual any waste yet, but it all seems to be working nutrient wise. I mean, there's still some really light covered leaves, except for these tomatoes are really dark green, so they're definitely taking up some kind of nutrient. And they're all looking pretty good. I have green bean plants. I'm so excited. Oh, and I have a Swiss chard. Look at that little guy right there. He's going to be my favorite. I like me some Swiss chard. Anyway, I figured I'd share with everybody. So you guys should share and tell them to subscribe, or I'll subscribe. You subscribe and then share and tell them to subscribe. That's how that works. Not 100% sure. You guys let me know. Or put some in the comments. I don't know. Somebody talk to me. I'm lonely. All right. Everybody, peace out. See you next time. Bye-bye.